can't find the direct message option on TikTok using your iPhone, this can happen due to privacy settings, age restrictions, or app glitches. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the missing direct message option on TikTok. Before you get started, make sure your age is over 16 or 18 years old. If you're less than 16, you are being restricted. In that case, you need to create a new account or report this problem. However, if your age is over 18 plus, then follow this following process. Solution 1. Check your privacy settings. Open up the TikTok app. Now, go to your profile. Tap the menu at the top right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. Then tap Privacy. Now tap the Direct Messages option from here. Make sure that the setting isn't set to no one. You can choose from Everyone, Suggested Friends, or Friends. Now go ahead and check whether your issue is solved or not. If not, Solution 2. Check your age restriction. Open up the TikTok app again. Then tap on the profile. Tap on the 3 lines icon from the top right. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Interaction. Now tap Direct Message is no longer available. Here, you can see that only users aged 16 and over will be able to send and receive direct messages. So, if you are under 16, sorry, you cannot send or receive direct messages. Solution 3. Update the TikTok app. Open the App Store app. Tap on the search icon below. Type TikTok in the search bar. Now, tap on TikTok. Here, you'll see the update button if available. Make sure to tap and update the app. Solution 4. Report and submit your problem. Open the TikTok app again. Tap on the profile. After that, tap on the 3 lines icon from the top right. Next, tap on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Report a Problem. Now scroll down to the bottom. Then tap on Chat with Us. Now message your problem. TikTok support will solve your problem ASAP. And this is how you can fix the direct message option missing issue on TikTok using your iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you next time.